10 years ago, we had been told that the iPhone was going to be released, but we actually had no idea what it actually would do for us. You know, in the past, if they were coming out with a new laptop, we'd say, okay, it might be thinner, it might be lighter, it'll allow me to do same old things. But the iPhone was going to be something completely new. And I can just speak for myself and probably for, you know, a big part of the world that it has fundamentally changed how we operate in our lives.
I'm really looking forward to the iPhone.
We made this video 10 years ago trying to predict the impact that the iPhone would have. And it's useful to now, 10 years later, to come back and see where we were, what we thought would happen, what has actually happened, and also where we might go from now.
I think that's why there's a lot more excitement about it, because it's being made by Apple. And because it's being made by Apple, it's going to be cool.
So in that case, I still do think that the fact that they weren't a cell phone manufacturer allowed them to take risks and look at phones in a completely different way that a regular cell phone manufacturer may have had a harder time doing.
The only question mark has less to do with the design of the phone than its ability to work well on certain other features.
10 years ago, we had about a 2% adoption rate of smartphones in the United States. Today, it's over 83%. A lot of that can be attributed to the iPhone and then all the subsequent copycat products of the iPhone.
The goal that Apple has set for itself is that they want to sell 10 million units by the end of 2008. Now, that is a very aggressive goal, but it is achievable if the screen works as they've advertised and you can get corporate IT departments to accept it.
They clearly met that goal. Okay, it was an aggressive goal. They met it, and in 10 years, they've actually sold 1.3 billion. So they have been incredibly successful.